We got the smart car out here up on the hill. We're gonna go find some trails. We're gonna go find a trail, see if this thing can do some off-road. After we saw this thing hit the jump, I think it's a little bit more capable than we thought it was. What do you think?
As long as we could keep the frame straight, even though it's not already after the jump, we're good.
All right, there's a good trail right up there.
We're doing that?
Yeah, dude.
Bro, I'm probably gonna like go off the side of that.
You can make this. I believe in you.
The smart car that's not so smart. Oh, mud everywhere. Oh no. I don't know if it's the smart car that's not smart or if it's me, but it's one of those. That's probably me. Oh gosh. Can we make it? We're covered. Oh, it doesn't have auto windows. All right, that's freezing. I'm gonna try to roll up one of those. Switch hands. Get the other one. Ah, come on. So hard. I can't believe we just made it up that. Dude, I'm covered in mud. I started rolling this out. I need to get out though.
Oh my God.
I was trying to put them up, but I only had one hand because I had the other.
I'm so blown away that you got through the mud over there though. That was pretty deep, dude.
Oh my gosh.
I couldn't stop and I was right behind Jaden getting caved.
Well, that's that. Good thing I decided to wear my Jordans today. I'm pretty much like Bridger. I was trying to be as cool as him. So. On my face too.
A little bit. Oh yeah, a whole side of your face is just covered.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that was awesome.
There's just mud everywhere. This is such a mess.
Also, if you guys can't tell, we put the headers back on the exhaust, so it sounds a ton better now.
It also runs better. So this is that hill climb that Bryce talked about a little bit ago. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, that is a lot steeper and bigger than I thought it would be.
Good luck.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, dude. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this.
I'll go rip it first and see if it's doable.
We'll see. Ha! It's not doable. This thing gets you muddier than a freaking dirt bike. It's insane. I can't even see out the window. Good thing we have one window wiper. The other one fell off. We don't know where it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I think we're high centered.
I think so too. Dude, I couldn't keep it straight. It was like no matter what I did, it was just kicking everywhere, back and forth. And then I see Trevin and I'm like, I'm gonna hit him. So I hit the brakes. And that's what set us up for failure, is I didn't have enough momentum. If we thought the alignment was terrible, now it's really bad. Huh, we're stuck. We're stuck. We're very stuck. I just gotta keep it pinned. There's nothing else I can do. We're not moving. Come on, smart car. Come on, baby. You can do it.
Yeah, no more.
Yep, it can't do it.
Dude, how do you see right now?
I can't, dude. That's why I keep telling you guys, you need to just stay away from me because I don't see you.
Every time we drive this car, I just get more and more impressed by what it can do. Because when we bought
seriously.
this, I didn't think it'd make it out of a freaking driveway, but it's done pretty good. And it sounds a million times better now.
It's the terrible shift at the bottom that pisses me off, dude. Here it goes, watch.
You almost flipped right through
It like bounces. Dude, bunny hop.
This thing rallies, dude.
See, it just went to second gear. I don't know why it does that. Now it's back to first. See, there's the second gear shift. It screws us over. It's not even a smart car. It's a dumb car. Every single time it shifts, I don't get it. We're in manual. And somehow, it still thinks it should shift. It's probably not a very smart car. Try to clean the window, dude. I can't see.
Buddy's seen better days. We could have been a little more prepared and brought something to scrape the mud off. This This was honestly so much more fun than I thought it would be. I seriously thought that we'd just be getting the smart car unstuck this entire time. Dude, how's the Sur on?
I am at 35% battery, so my bike is so slow right now. I keep getting stuck everywhere.
It's just so funny seeing a smart car rally across the field, dude.
I bet we're the first ones.
Yeah.
Dude, I just wanted to tip over right now. I thought they were gonna roll.
I literally think this thing has fell apart.
It's done?
It's like rattling, shaking.
gosh.
It sounds like everything is falling from the bottom. My hands actually hurt right now trying to hold onto the wheel, and I jammed my thumb.
Dude, every bump you like feel it bottom out every time.
The question that I feel like I keep asking myself and everyone else on the Throttle Bros team asks themselves is the smart car the best idea we ever had or the worst? I literally don't know, but it is pretty sick. So off camera, Bryce just barely got the smart car stuck. So Austin went to go get the razor. We're gonna try to pull this thing out.
Dude, I think it's hilarious though that we just barely rallied this through a giant filled up like some big hills, and now we're just stuck in our backyard in some dirt.
Yeah, seriously. That's something that we were thinking about. The Stradman, when he had this car, he got stuck in his backyard, and we were like, dang, that's crazy that we're out here running these hill climbs, and then we get stuck in our backyard, so.
I didn't even think about that. Now it's high centered,
He's high centered.